The next thing I want to show you is this key matrix by date type. So we have selected day type, weekdays and weekends, and we have shown them in a table with different key matrix that are very crucial in the domain of hospitality. So hospitality domain uses these four metrics the most: RevPAR, occupancy percentage, ADR, and realization the most. So you can see that the RevPAR, so that is the revenue per available room. So that is the revenue of of a room that are available to sell. That is available to sell. Then the occupancy percentage according to the available rooms. Okay. Then the average daily rate, which is the price, the revenue of the room when all the rooms are available. And the realization percentage is the percentage of all the successful checked out bookings. So checked out booking means that whatever the bookings are done, the customer pays for it, then shows up, then stays, and then checks out successfully. So basically, it is the percentage of total successful checked out bookings. Then below this, we have the revenue by room class. So the revenue by different room classes. So each hotel in Atlic Hotels have four types of room classes, which are standard, presidential, premium, and elite. So you can see that the elite has contributed the most in the revenue. You can select one single hotel. You go to property name, like we go to seasons. So you can see for seasons, since the seasons is are the most poor performing hotel. So you can see everything is back to a very lower number. So here you can see the standard rooms in Atlic Seasons only contributes to 6.3 million. Then premium contributes to 17.9 million. Okay. Then to presidential to 19.8 million, and then elite class to 22 million. So now we can infer that why standard rooms in Atlic Seasons are performing the least. What are the elite rooms doing that the standard rooms can't? And what are the standard rooms lagging that the elite rooms have? So that's how we can use this visual. Then again, we have another visual called total bookings by room class. This shows you the total bookings by different room class. So you can see for Atlic City, let's take Atlic City. So in Atlic City, there are more than 4,500 bookings, so 4,700 bookings of premium classroom. Then we have 2,800 bookings of residential classroom. Then 8,604 bookings of elite classrooms, and then 7,000 bookings of standard classrooms. Then you can see the successful bookings by category. So you can see, okay, both of them are donut chart. So this donut chart represents what type of hotel, okay, have done how much of successful bookings. So successful bookings by luxury hotels and successful booking by business hotels. Okay. So if you select a property, let's say Atlic Exotica again. So you can see Atlic Exotica is a luxury hotel. Okay. Then if we see Atlic Grands, Atlic Grands is also a luxury hotel. Blue is also a luxury hotel. Bay is also. Palace. Now Palace is a business hotel. Okay. So this means that Atlic Palace only deals with no business related meetings or business related events. So that's a hotel which can hold these business class events. Now at the top right we can see the again a line chart for revenue and average rating by week. Here the revenue and average ratings are mapped by week. Now as you can see, the line chart looks very cluttered right now. All the points are in this very small area. So let me expand it for you and then you can see it very clearly. So I'll select the slicer of May. Now it is expanded according to the weeks that are in the month of May. So here you can see we get all the information about the revenue and average rating in the week of in the week 19, then the week 20, then 21, 22, 23, so on. So let's check what are the highest revenues, overall revenue, and what is the highest overall average rating. Okay, so let's check first the overall highest revenue. Now let's go to July. Here at week 27, very low, 42 million. Then we go to the next high. Okay, 139.83. No, it is still low, not next high. Then we got the next high, $139.73 million at week 29. So here we got to know that the overall revenue at week 29 in the month of July was $139.73 million. Okay, so you got many different dates and times to infer the insight. So now let's clear all the filters. And now we'll check for the overall highest average rating. Now, oh, the next highest, 3.66. We got the highest right now. Then low 60, 63, 60, 63. At week 23, in the month of June, we got overall highest average rating of 3.66. So we can see the flow of the trend and the revenue through this line chart, which tells that we should look into the events that happened at that specific week or those specific weeks due to which our revenue and average rating decreased. So if we get to know what wrong happened at that time or at that week, then we can come back and correct it. If we correct it, then obviously everything will go up, everything will go in profit. So the last visual that I want to show you is the cancellation percentage by month and city. So this is a ribbon chart, and as you can see, it has many different colored bands. So the colored bands represent the different cities in which there are different hotels. Okay, at x-axis we have the months May, June, and July, and at y-axis we have the percentage value of cancellation percentage. Let's select a specific hotel. Let's go for Adelaide Exotica again. Now you see, because from other earlier visuals we know that Adelaide Exotica is only in 3 cities, which is Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So let's get information about Adelaide Exotica's cancellation percentage in city Bangalore for month of May was 25.64. Then for the same city, it went to 23.03 in the month of June. Then for the same city, it went to 24.73 in the month of July. Okay, now you see that why is it at top? Shouldn't it be at the second place because it is less than 25.64? But the thing to notice is that it is the highest in the month of July. In all the cities, it is the highest in the Bangalore and it is the highest in the month of July. That is why it is at the top. Then comes the Hyderabad, then comes for Mumbai. If you go in between these bands, these transition bands, we can see much more information that how much was the change, what was the rank change, okay, from where it jumped to where, okay. So you can see that the cancellation percentage in May in the Bangalore city was 25.64, then it changed to 23.03. Okay, so the cancellation percentage change was of minus 2.61% or overall was minus 10.17%. So the May rank was 1 and the June rank was 3. Okay, so it jumped from rank 1 to the last rank, which is a good thing because the cancellation percentage should be less. You should not get a very high cancellation percentage. That means that you are getting more cancelled bookings than the successful bookings. So the rank change was 2. Then here, the rank changed from 1 to 3. Then it increased again. So in the July, it went to the highest for the same city, Bangalore. So finally, now we are going to consider the expected outcomes. So the expected outcomes that I have gained by using these dashboards are mentioned above. First, the highest revenue was by Adelaide Exotica, 320 millions, and the lowest revenue was by Adelaide Seasons, 70 million. Second, the highest RevPAR or revenue per available room was by Adelaide Exotica again for 7.82 thousand per room. Then the highest occupancy percentage was by Atlic Blue at 62.02%. Highest realization percentage was of Atlic Exotica, again 71.18%. And the lowest realization was of Atlic Grants, 69.94%. Then highest revenue was by the booking platform Make Your Trip at $340 million. Then Mumbai has the highest revenue overall at 670 million, followed by Bangalore, then by Hyderabad, and then by Delhi. Week 29, as we found out ourselves, recorded the highest revenue among all, which was about $139.73 million. And at the last, week 23 recorded the highest average rating among all, 3.66. So thank you. That was all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed and learned something from it. If there are any recommendations or any corrections that you think I should make in the dashboard, then please do tell me in the comments. Thank you so much.